Hello again, YouTube viewers. Here we have what I believe is a 42-inch Coastal Breeze. There's a tag up here somewhere. I don't know if it's gonna show up. There you go. You can probably read it. I can't read from where I'm at. There's the Hunter logo on the sideband. Either way, I don't know much about this fan. I know people have been looking for them. I just happen to have one. I don't know. So, picked it up. Either way, I'm going to start off on low. So, high, medium, low. And this fan is flush mounted. Here's the low speed. So, off, high, medium. Sorry. That's the mirror from the front up. Let's go ahead and go to high. So, low, off, high. Run silent. Move some good air. Let's get up here closer to it. And this is reversible and it has the switch cap. Do a view from the corner over here. Alright, let's go ahead and do spin that. Medium, low, off. Go back here. Fan seems in pretty good condition. It runs quietly. It's pretty well balanced. Has all the screws, so I don't see anything really wrong with it. I'm actually glad it worked because that's my first kind of flush mounted fan. I was making sure I could clear that light, so I'm glad that light is low enough, high enough, I don't know. Oh, pretty neat fan. Nothing I really like, but I'm sure others like this one a lot. Once again, I believe this is a Hunter Coastal Breeze. At first I thought it was a bed and bathroom, but the bed and bathrooms are smaller. They look very similar. There we go. Either way, thanks for watching.